Titanium Skull Racing YouTube channel. For the first time in almost 2 decades, we're gonna get this thing wet. Today's the day. She gonna get wet for the first time in almost 2 decades. This thing has not been off the trailer. It is so ready to be off. I don't think we're gonna take it off in today's video, but it's gonna go in the water to see if everything works correctly, and hopefully they don't blow up. But you know, let's get right to it. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen the interior. Not everything's done, but we got the essentials in there. Now I can sit and drive it and have someone roll off the back and get chopped up into sushi. Let's get to it. In case you haven't seen any of the other videos that I've made about this gigantic, one-of-a-kind beast, I don't even know what it is. It's so weird. We rebuilt both engines, we redid the floor, we redid the stringers, new carpet, new upholstery. It's been a whole process. I did videos on most of the parts of it. It's been quite expensive too, so please like and subscribe, help a dude out here. I mean, we gonna have this thing back on the water soon and it's gonna be sick. I know some people might have squirrel-like attention spans, so if that sounds like you, you can skip to 6 minutes and 20 seconds into the video to just see it run. Because I'm concerned that my 20-some-odd-year-old minivan with 300,000 miles cannot stop this thing and is going to pull it under like all those boat ramp videos you see.
Wheel choke? Put it behind the tire?
Which one's not all the way down?
They're both, I mean, they're probably down far enough. They're not all the way down, are they? That's good. That's good. Alright. Bubble it up.
Both or just one?
Start one, get it running. Start the other, get it running.
Start the problematic one first.
Open freaking the hatch. Okay. Pump it 2-3 times.
I did already.
In neutral, pump it 2-3 times.
I did.
Okay. Look like you. What? Pump it. Thank you.
I already did, but okay.
Grab the ether.
pump it. This fucking thing.
Yeah, it's always something.
For some reason, the port engine always doesn't have fuel in the carburetor. I think the brand new anti-siphon valve that I put on that thing is no bueno.
No.
Anything?
Nope.
Nice. It pumped freaking yesterday when I was adjusting the throttle cable. There, I heard it.
One. Now it's pumping.
Damn, that thing's run good.
Another one. That was too low. And I was trying to raise it up on the...
Permission to aboard your vessel, sir. That's gonna be the hard part.
That's gotta go up a little bit. Probably should have mentioned this earlier, but the Jew Chief is back.
Well, everybody, it made it in the water. I was afraid that the van wouldn't be able to stop it, but it ran good. It starts right back up, and we can take it out on the water here soon. I just don't want to today because I'm a pussy. So stick around for the next video, and we'll be back. The whole crew, my father, my girl, and Jew Chief, finally back up here, his slow ass.